love about our tiny home is how it's tailored specifically for us. It fits like a glove. It's a cozy reflection of our style and personalities.
And as you can see, our style is very eclectic and a little rustic, with vibrant curtains and the live edge wood. Alexis also has a little obsession with woodland creatures.
It's true. You know, I'm really loving how our new floors really bring together our patchwork of colors that we have in here. The rich warm undertones pull together the light and dark elements that we have, and they look so much like hardwood that it really blends in with our wood-centric tiny house.
I'm the kind of guy that likes change, and when I was installing the new floors, I realized this is a perfect time to make a change in our house.
Yeah, I totally agree. We could breathe a little fresh life into our space. You know, we've been in it for 3 years. We can mix some things up, complement our new floors. And I don't think it would take much, just a few tweaks here and there, and it'd make a big difference. What do you think? One big thing about tiny living is that you curate your space around what you most love and most need.
So with any updates to our space, we always keep this in mind. And we could literally use a new light. Our old ceiling fan bit the dust a while back, and a new lighting fixture is a must.
We could really use some new wallpaper. I'm thinking something a little less modern and a bit more rustic. Maybe even woodland inspired?
Our front porch is looking a little dingy, so I think a new coat of paint will brighten things up.
And a few finishing decor touches will tie everything together.
So that's it, the house is done. What do you think, babe?
I love it.
Yeah?
Especially the new wallpaper.
Of course you do.
Well, the new Pergo floors and a few decor updates, it feels like a brand new house again.
And remember, you can order a sample of TimberCraft plus WetProtect floors online. Use the link in the description.
All right, well, it's time to hit the road for the next destination.
Yep.
We'll see y'all later.
Yeah, take it easy.
Hey guys, Alexis and Christian here with Tiny House Expedition.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And click left or right for more tiny house stories and tours.